Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, July the 18th, 2024. Already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. This one will be number 8925. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 18, that's a lot. Cannot be a 4 stars. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has double those numbers. So I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes. Maybe a 1 star. 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. The question is this a 4 stars, a 1 star, or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, only one single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box. The 1 is already given, so this box should be a 2. Here another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, the 3. The 1 is already given. This box can be 2, so the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. No quadra boxes in this puzzle. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. T shape. We have more T shapes? No. Oh, not true here. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? And let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. This case is a 5 here. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will see the S. It's the same shape as the Z. If you mirror this, well, this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. More Z constructions? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Here also 1 or a 2. And the final shape, that's this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area, supposed to be here. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then let me see. I think this. Wait. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Well, this box can be 3, this box can be 5, so the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So so the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 there, double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box, so 1 and 2. The other pair in this area are the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, the hard part. These 3 boxes, surround the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. But also this box can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this S construction should be here. Is connected with that box should be so 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Yeah. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there, and this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, this box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. Yeah. Come on. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. These 3 boxes, surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left for the... Oh, of course, it's connected. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be... Wait. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box will be a 5. So 1 number left in this L shape for now. Number 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Well, am I stuck here? We have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be 2. Is also connected with that box should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final numbers 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Wow. I'm surprised. Definitely a 0 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.